What advice do you give a woman when she comes to you and she's about to lose her hair? What do you tell her?
I tell her a couple of different things. One, I want you to realize when the hair starts to go that the chemo is working and you're killing cancer, which is awesome. That is the goal here, to kill any stray cancer cells.
Mm-hmm.
So don't necessarily look at the hair loss as a bad thing. It is a good thing. We're killing cancer. Mm-hmm. And then the other thing that I always tell each woman is that you need to take charge of this hair loss. The minute that it starts, that you realize it's really coming out, take charge of it. Don't sit. I did it all wrong. I sat and cried and pulled it out, and it was agonizing. And if I would have just buzzed it off, put the wig on, it would have been such a better experience, but I did it all wrong. I was still in that denial. And so I tell them, you know what, just get rid of it. Get rid of it. And if you want to wear the wig, fine. If you want to wear a hat, fine, but take charge of it. Don't let it control you.
That's so true. And I am right there with you because I did the exact same thing. I mean, my hair was longer, and then I had my producer telling me, oh, Lisa, if you get it cut shorter, the weight of the hair, it'll stay longer because then it's not going to fall out, as fast. So then I go get this like pixie haircut, okay? Well, I'll never forget, I do this talk show here in Phoenix, in addition to Breast Cancer Answers, the day, I swear to God, we had Jerry Springer doing a live interview in studio, and I'm in there with him. It looked like I put a bowl on the top of my head because my hair was starting to go all from the neck up. And I finally said to my producer, I'm like, oh my God, why didn't somebody tell me? I mean, I looked just like a fool. And at that point on is when I shaved it off and then showed up with my, awful wig the next day. But yeah, I did it all wrong. I mean, I would have just been,
I did too.
Shave it and just get rid of it so you don't have to see it on your pillow or in the shower, right, etc. Because just keep, a clean break, basically.
Well, and once mine was gone, I let my husband and my kids cut it off, the length. I had long hair also. Yep. And then my husband buzzed the rest. And once it was gone, I stopped crying about it. Mm-hmm. It was, the oddest thing because you think you're going to cry when it's finally gone, but I cried as it was pulling out. Mm-hmm. And so then I stopped crying about it, put the wig on, and I was fine from that point on.
I've heard so many women say, too, that they just feel so alive, actually. Once they've shaved it, it's like, you know what? This feels good.
Uh-huh.
Have you heard that?
Yes, it's almost as if you say to yourself, here I am, watch me do this. I think you feel tough. There's that kind of G.I. Jane feeling like, I am tough. I can do this.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And I'm going to win. And I'm going to win.
Absolutely. Yes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jay Harness, and I want to share with you important information that I believe that every newly diagnosed patient with breast cancer needs to know.
I'm a breast cancer survivor.
I am a breast cancer survivor.
I am a breast cancer survivor.
And I want every woman to know
about personalized breast cancer treatment
and the genomic test.
A test that helps guide a woman and her doctor
to the best treatment options for her.
Pass it on.